So in section 12, we're looking at the use of a comma. So let's go ahead and try out a comma and see its effect when we are printing out output to the console. So before, if you recall, when we were iterating through a string, it was printing one letter on each new line. It was putting a new letter on each line. When you put a comma with your print statement, what it does is it places all the strings on the same line. So we're going through the following for loop. We're going to examine the following phrase, a bird in the hand, and wherever we encounter an A, a big A, or a small a, we're going to replace it with the letter X. Otherwise, we're going to just simply print out the letter as it is. And with a comma, okay, notice the commas there. They weren't there before. It will put all the output from the for loop on the same line. So we run it, a bird in the hand, and we can see that a was replaced with X and the A in hand was also replaced with X.